Hi, we decided to show you the 2 liters Rovinka stone wet grinder, but we thought the best way to do so would be to show you first the different parts. The first thing is the stone. This is the steel drum, and there is a plastic lid. We'll begin by showing you how we put the machine together. So on top of the motor we put the drum. Put the stone inside. There is a black nut that has to be tightened clockwise, and the tilting action. As you can see, the tilting action is quite safe. It stands by itself. The plastic lid on top has actually got a function. If you wish to lock the nut in or unlock it, you just use and unlock the nut. So, presenting to you the Rovinka 2 liter stone wet grinder by Cuisine and Spice Essentials.